Hey guys, I'm Prem and I'm doing my MBA from 2IIM's 2021 to 2023 batch. And to talk about the 2IIM course, so 2IIM course was the only course I bought apart from the test series which I taken. So the best part of the 2IIM course is it's very well structured and it is being taken care of by people who take CAT every year and they're very serious about it. Rajesh sir himself has been a major part of the course throughout, and Bharath sir as well. And there are others also who are also from top B schools and top tech schools of the country. So they know what they're doing. So it's an excellent course that way. And all the lessons, let it be quantitative aptitude, VRC, TLR, and in a very structured manner. As in, first there is concept, then formulas, then application, and then you have CAT level questions. And you can find it very well, especially in the quantitative section. And when you come to VRC and DLR, I think everyone knows that practice is sacrosanct there. And so DLR, you have a lot of practice sets which are very calculative intensive also and concept intensive also. And similarly, VRC, you have Bharat sir's reading list to help you with every day. And apart from that, the course also has excellent video content. And apart from all this, you have something called as a test dojo. So you have chapter wise test. So you can strengthen yourself chapter wise. So 2IIM doesn't believe in sectional tests. So they believe in strengthening each chapter and on the whole taking full length mocks. They also have very good full length mocks. And so overall, it's a great course. And this course helped me score a middling 96 percentile in CAT, 97 in SAT, and 99.4 in SNAP. So I'm really thankful and grateful for the course, and I highly recommend it to all of you. Thank you. All the best.